Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Kerala BSc Agricultural Officer Exam Important MCQs Set 4. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala BSc exam and other competitive exams. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course and use Foodtech 360 referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. KPG 59 Uday is a variety of dash. Options: A. Field pea, B. Vegetable pea, C. Lentil, D. Gram. Correct answer D. Gram. Question number 2. In plain, Rajma is cultivated during options: A. Kharif, B. Rabi, C. Zaid, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Kharif. Question number 3. The most efficient use of potassium is achieved by dash. Options: A. Broadcasting at the sowing time, B. Top dressing after 1 month of sowing, C. Basal placement at the sowing time, D. Foliar spray. Correct answer C. Basal placement at the sowing time. Question number 4. The term extension was first used in options: A. UK, B. USA, C. India, D. France. Correct answer B. USA. Question number 5. The first KVK in India was established in options: A. Bombay, B. Port Blair, C. Pondicherry, D. Madras. Correct answer C. Pondicherry. Question number 6. Albert Mayer is the name associated with options: A. Nilokeri Development Project, B. Firka Development Project, C. Etawah Pilot Project, D. Sriniketan Project. Correct answer C. Etawah Pilot Project. Question number 7. Cooperative Credit Societies Act was passed in India in options: A. 1902, B. 1904, C. 1906, D. 1912. Correct answer D. 1912. Question number 8. Maximum photosynthesis takes place in options: A. Blue light, B. Red light, C. Violet light, D. Green light. Correct answer D. Green light. Question number 9. Farm planning means options: A. Farm budgeting, B. Cropping pattern, C. Type of enterprises, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Cropping pattern. Question number 10. The first product of photosynthesis in C3 plant is options: A. Pyruvic acid, B. Phosphoglyceric acid, C. Oxaloacetic acid, D. Succinic acid. Correct answer B. Phosphoglyceric acid. Question number 11. Bending of plants towards light is called options: A. Phototropism, B. Vernalization, C. Photorespiration, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Phototropism. Question number 12. Germination is inhibited by options: A. Red light, B. Blue light, C. UV light, D. IR light. Correct answer C. UV light. Question number 13. The best method of milking is options: A. Knuckling method, B. Fisting method, C. Stripping method, D. None of these. Correct answer D. None of these. Question number 14. Line breeding is a type of options: A. Inbreeding, B. Outbreeding, C. Natural breeding, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Inbreeding. Question number 15. Laterite soil develops as a result of options A. Deposit of alluvial, B. Deposit of loess, C. Leaching of sedimentary rocks, D. Windblown dust. Correct answer C. Leaching of sedimentary rocks. Question number 16. What kind of soil is treated with gypsum to make it suitable for cropping? Options A. Alluvial, B. Acidic, C. Waterlogged, D. Soil with excessive clay content. Correct answer D. Soil with excessive clay content. Question number 17. The United Nations General Assembly has declared 2013 as the International Year of Dash. Options A. Quinoa, B. Buckwheat, C. Rice, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Quinoa. Question number 18. Kharif crops are harvested in options A. June to July, B. October to November, C. May to June, D. March to April. Correct answer B. October to November. Question number 19. Coating urea with which of the following has been found to increase the yield of crops? Options A. Lime, B. Ash, C. Neem oil, D. Eucalyptus oil. Correct answer C. Neem oil. Question number 20. Which of the following crops would be preferred for sowing in order to enrich the soil with nitrogen? Options A. Wheat, B. Mustard, C. Sunflower, D. Gram. Correct answer D. Gram. Unacademy is conducting a free T20 test series for LDC prelims which has started from 25th of November. Subject-wise tests will be conducted on daily basis, Monday to Saturday at 8 pm. Anyone can enroll for free and attend the test. And also, Unacademy is conducting Kerala PSC Champions League tests. First two tests have already completed, but even though you can attend the test. The first topic was on GK and current affairs, the second topic is on maths and science, and the final test is on complete syllabus of LDC prelims, will be on 29th of November 2 pm. Each test contains total of 100 questions. Top 30 ranks in the final paper will be given 1 year subscription to Unacademy Plus for free. So download the Unacademy Learning app now for free and use FUTECH360 referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Link for all these as given in the description. Question number 21. For which of the following is black soil is not very suitable? Options A. Cotton, B. Wheat, C. Groundnut, D. Potato. Correct answer C. Groundnut. Question number 22. The science concerned with vegetable culture is called options A. Floriculture, B. Olericulture, C. Horticulture, D. Agriculture. Correct answer B. Olericulture. Question number 23. Which of the following elements is almost non-essential for plants? Options A. Calcium, B. Manganese, C. Zinc, D. Sodium. Correct answer D. Sodium. Question number 24. Although a deficiency of any of the elements listed may result in chlorosis, only one of these elements is an element found in chlorophyll. Which is it? Options A. Zinc, B. Iron, C. Magnesium, D. Chloride. Correct answer C. Magnesium. Question number 25. Which of the following elements is not present in a nitrogenous base? Options A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon, C. Phosphorus, D. Nitrogen. Correct answer C. Phosphorus. Question number 26. The water fern which is used as a green manure in rice field is options A. Salvinia, B. Mucor, C. Aspergillus, D. Azolla. Correct answer D. Azolla. Question number 27. Green manure plants used by farmers mainly belong to options A. Compositae, B. Leguminosae, C. Solanaceae, D. Poaceae. Correct answer B. Leguminosae. Question number 28. Major food crops of the world belongs to options A. Leguminosae, B. Graminae, C. Solanaceae, D. Crucifera. Correct answer B. Graminae. Question number 29. The principal cereal crop of India is options A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Barley, D. Sorghum. Correct answer B. Rice. Question number 30. Which among the following chemicals is used for causing defoliation of forest trees? Options A. Phosphon D, B. Malic hydrazide, C. 2,4-D, D. Ammo 1618. Correct answer C. 2,4-D. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Also, don't forget to attend the Unacademy T20 test series for LDC Prelims and Kerala PSC Champions League tests. Before all that, download the Unacademy Learning app now. Link is in the description. So let's crack it.